Ethereum just reclaimed $3,100 amid whispers of an Ethereum season. While XRP targets a potential $5 rally this July, these could trigger the next massive market shift. Stay ahead with today's essential roundup on major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano, packed with insights to supercharge your strategy. If you're finding this valuable, please like the video now to support the channel. Let's dive into the details. We start with Bitcoin, the market leader, which is facing a possible short-term pullback after reaching an all-time high near $123,000. This correction stems from miners taking profits, a common occurrence in bull markets where gains are secured to manage risk. On-chain data indicates the long-term uptrend remains strong, with robust hash rate growth and institutional support providing a solid foundation. Key support levels hover around $110,000. Maintaining this could set the stage for a push toward $130,000. Adding to the institutional momentum, Cantor Fitzgerald is in talks to acquire over $3 billion in Bitcoin from Blockstream, a deal potentially valued at $4 billion. This underscores growing confidence in Bitcoin as a reserve asset, akin to digital gold, amid economic uncertainties. Blockstream's infrastructure expertise, including the Liquid network, makes it a key player, and if finalized, this could enhance market liquidity. Furthermore, reports suggest GameStop may soon accept cryptocurrency payments, including Bitcoin, for trading card purchases. As hinted by its chief executive officer, this could bridge retail and blockchain, boosting adoption in gaming and collectibles sectors by leveraging low-cost, borderless transactions. These developments highlight Bitcoin's evolving role beyond speculation. Though volatility persists, investors should monitor minor outflows and macroeconomic indicators for strategic entry points. Shifting to Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, which is showing signs of a strong resurgence. Ethereum has reclaimed the $3,100 level with impressive 21% weekly gains, driven by surging exchange-traded fund inflows, rising institutional interest, and robust demand from Asia. Analysts point to a golden cross formation and reduced exchange supply as bullish indicators, with the price breaking through multi-month resistance at $2,819 and eyeing $3,600. Spot Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded funds have attracted $20 billion in inflows since April, outpacing other asset classes and signaling mainstream integration. Peter Thiel's 9.1% stake in a leading Ethereum treasury firm has further fueled optimism, with Ethereum surging 6.33% in the past 24 hours to $3,169. Standard Chartered's launch of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum trading for institutional clients marks another milestone, promoting regulated access and potentially increasing liquidity. On the technological front, innovations like Privy Cycle address privacy in health applications on Ethereum, emphasizing its evolution as a social infrastructure protocol with end-to-end encryption needs. Asia's role as a powerhouse in Ethereum's rally is evident, with regional adoption driving the uptrend. Charts show sustained momentum, with potential for a breakout to $5,000 if current patterns hold, though resistance at $3,050 remains critical. However, security challenges persist, as seen in the Big One exchange hack, where over $27 million in losses included Ethereum assets, highlighting the need for enhanced defenses in centralized platforms. Ethereum's blend of decentralized finance growth and institutional backing positions it for continued expansion, but participants must prioritize secure practices. Solana is also making waves, with its price prediction for July 2025 targeting $200 as bulls gain traction. The network's high-performance blockchain, a rival to Ethereum for decentralized applications, has seen a potential breakout above $170, which could trigger a staggering 1,500% rally to $2,700, according to analysts examining cup and handle patterns. This week's price prediction suggests buying opportunities, with Solana trading at $160 and showing resilience amid exchange-traded fund inflow surges and increased transactions. A new decentralized finance development strategy boosts Solana's treasury aims, targeting 1.0 Solana per share by 2028, enhancing its appeal for long-term holders. Innovations like Zeus Network's BTC-SOL allow Solana stakers to earn Bitcoin rewards without bridges or custodians, turning staking into a seamless Bitcoin on-ramp. The rally has stalled slightly, but active users and application revenue exceeding $1 billion for the second straight quarter underscore its strength. Solana faces a critical decision at 154 resistance. A volume-backed move could reach 176, while rejection risks a dip to 131. Network extensions are redefining scaling, enabling custom environments without fragmenting liquidity. The Big One hack also impacted Solana assets, reinforcing the importance of security in high-speed ecosystems. With 3,200 active developers, Solana's ecosystem is thriving, positioning it as a key player in blockchain innovation. XRP is poised for potential upside, with analysts forecasting a rally to $5 in July, driven by 4 key reasons: breaking key resistance at $2.40, exchange-traded fund milestones, institutional boosts, and regulatory tailwinds. The price has surged 81% from June lows to $3.05, with a $3 target in sight if volume supports the breakout. The United States Federal Reserve's adoption of International Organization for Standardization, 2022 for Federal Reserve Wire Network, boosts XRP, alongside the token associated with Stellar, Cardano, and the token associated with Algorand, enhancing cross-border payment efficiency. Ripple's Ripple United States dollar stablecoin nears a $500 million milestone, potentially catalyzing bigger moves despite recent dips. XRP has recovered to $2.42, sparking market activity and aligning with a top Ripple exchange-traded fund, hitting $158 million in assets. Initiatives like Savvy Mining's XRP-based cloud mining contracts expand utility, allowing holders to mine without hardware. A $421 million institutional influx into XRP treasuries signals confidence, though risks of a drop below $1 loom if momentum fades. XRP's focus on real-world payments continues to differentiate it, with recent double-digit gains alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. JP Morgan's involvement in stablecoins, despite Chief Executive Officer skepticism, could indirectly benefit XRP's ecosystem through increased legitimacy. Finally, Cardano is displaying strong recovery signs, with Cardano confirming a bullish double-bottom pattern that could pave the way for a return above $1. The Cardano Foundation's $15 million investment in adoption efforts aims to boost network usage, though price impacts are yet to fully materialize. Cardano is approaching key resistance, with bulls potentially pushing to $1 if momentum holds, despite a recent 6.6% weekly gain to $0.58. Integration into Brave Wallet's beta exposes Cardano to 88 million users, aiding recovery. Wrapped Cardano on Base enhances interoperability, while mixed signals from whales suggest caution. The Securities and Exchange Commission's delay on Grayscale's Cardano exchange-traded fund to July reflects ongoing regulatory hurdles. In the next 60-day cycle, Cardano could see significant upside alongside Solana. Technicals hint at a 110% surge, or even 400% to all-time highs in 2025, but adoption metrics will be key. The Federal Reserve Wire Network International Organization for Standardization, 2022 adoption also benefits Cardano. These updates, from price rallies and institutional plays to technological advancements and security reminders, illustrate the major coin's interconnected growth potential amid market volatility. As regulatory landscapes evolve and adoption accelerates, staying informed is crucial. If you've made it this far, hit that like button now to support the channel, subscribe for daily updates, and enable notifications to stay ahead. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you at the top.